Hey everyone, welcome to DamageXcaling YouTube channel. My name is Eddie Wang and I hope you guys have seen me today or currently on the past videos, right? And today I'm here to finish a misinformation. It was said that Jin Samsara was made minus 19. That is a lie. It's still minus 16 as you guys are seeing here on the frame data display. This is still minus 16. And some of you are wondering what the hell just happened, right? Because it said that they nerfed it by making it 3 frames more negative, giving it 3 frames more recovery on it. But it's not only on the player one, but they did that also to the person who is defending. So let me show you real quick. So Samsara is still minus 16, as you guys are seeing here. But the main difference now is that since both characters recover 3 frames more slower now, it gives you enough time to buffer a hop kick and hit Jin before he is able to guard. So doing stuff like this is going to launch him. That's a launch, right? That's a launch. That works. So that is how the nerf works. So both players, right? Player one, when Jin does Samsara now, Jin and the person who blocked Samsara, we're going to recover 3 frames more slower. So if it was just one person, then this would be minus 19 on block. If it was just Jin, but if it was just the other person, then Samsara would be technically safe. It would be minus 13 and wouldn't be launch punishable by anything else. But what they did is they increased Jin's recovery for 3 frames, but whoever defends it as well is going to recover 3 frames later. So it balances out to minus 16 still, but it's more easily bufferable. The punish of the hop kick and stuff is going to be much easier to hit. And you can barely miss actually. So this is what they have changed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Is really quick. I'm going to cover other things in the future, so see you guys on the next one.